On the board this week, the International Church of the Foursquare Gospel invites you to its 47th Annual National Convention. It's being held from April 14 to 17 under the theme, Together We Are Able to Achieve, for God has broken the chains. So let's go possess the land. Nehemiah 2 verse 20 and 4 verse 6. The convention will be held at 15 Cassia Park Road, Kingston 10. Service begins at 6 p.m. each night. Come for a spiritual feast. The Jubilee Worship Center, 36 Valdez Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, invites you to Celebrating Christ or Passover. This Sunday, April 16, starting at 7 p.m. There'll be continuous intercessory prayers, declaration of scriptures, apostolic, messianic teachings, and anointed worship. For more information, call 649-2562 or 537-0081. All are invited to come out on April 22 to a grand worship experience unlike any other. It's the Pioneer Music Label launch at Fellowship Tabernacle, 2 Fairfield Avenue, Pembroke Hall, behind the Boulevard Shopping Center. Start time, 7 p.m. Come see dynamic psalmists, Alicia Taylor, Lyric, Radical Weapons, and others. Admission free. For more information, call 430-5380. And that's all for our community notices today. Send us your events for broadcast on the JRS Community Notice Board. Call 922-868-022 or send an email to cbishop@jis.gov.jm.